What's up YouTube, welcome back to another banger. In this video today I'm going to be showing y'all how to blow dry your hair at home. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. These are all the products that I'm going to be using today in this video. The link will be in the description on my Amazon storefront. I'll put it in the description. I have every single hair product you could think of. I have skincare products, I have you name it, I have everything. You should check out the store, link will be in the description. So the first step is to wash your hair. This is the hydrating shampoo that I'm going to be using. So I'm not going to put a big amount of shampoo. I'm going to put a reasonable amount, a fair amount, and I'm going to distribute it all over my head. And make sure you get everywhere, in the back, everywhere, just like so. Y'all, I was actually thinking of making some vlog videos. Someone on my comments on my last video said I should make a vlog video, and let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know in the comments down below. That'd be pretty cool to make some vlog videos, but yeah. So right here I am washing out the shampoo. Bro, the shampoo went in my eye here. I was so mad. Bro, I couldn't see anything. So now I'm gonna get ready to detangle my hair. So make sure you get it everywhere into the scalp like I'm doing right now. And make sure you get the back. And what I like to do is like to put it in my hand and then just open the roots like this and just rake it with my fingers. So like finger detangling. So right here I'm going to detangle, and this is where most of you guys mess up. You guys start from the roots and you pick out, that's going to rip your hair. So I start from the very like tip and then work my way to the roots, just like so. So this is what my hair looks like after I'm done detangling. It goes through smoothly. If it doesn't for you guys, make sure you are doing it correctly and detangle properly. So now I'm gonna wash my hair out, and I'm also picking my hair out at the same time. That's like a bonus tip that I do all the time. I like stretch out my hair, so I'm washing it out and picking it out at the same time. So when you're done, you're gonna want to soak it like this. So now you want to get your leave-in conditioner and just apply it in your hair. So what I do here, I just detangle my hair a little bit with the leave-in conditioner so that just it runs smoothly for when I blow dry it. Now I got some comments about why I switched my leave-in conditioner. I used to use the Quench one, but I just bought this one just to see how it works. So yeah. So now I'm going to spray some heat protectant in my hair. This is very important, guys. Make sure you get it around the whole head. It's very important because you don't want heat damage and you don't want to lose some hair, right? So yeah. I'm using the Dyson blow dryer. This will be linked in the description on my Amazon store page. So now I'm going to use medium heat and just going up like I'm picking out my hair basically. And just take your time, guys. So y'all, this is what my hair is looking at the end. My hair grew like crazy, y'all. I'm telling you. Put CG oil in your hair. This is the best oil in the market. I'm telling you. This oil will be in the description. So yeah, this is the end of the video. If y'all liked it, make sure you like and subscribe. And let me know down below what other content you want to see. And yeah, without further ado, I'm out.